Lecture Junior is a series of thematic readers that each contain 4 short, separate dialogues on the same theme. Levels are low beginner through low intermediate, core French, grades 4, 5, and 6. The grade 4 books start at low beginner and are very easy. Each book contains 4 or more short texts on one theme, like school, pets, family, nutrition, holidays, weather, and more. The texts are short, about 80 words each, and are written in very simple prose, present tense, short sentences, simple structures. As the level increases, the text change to dialogue only. Each book contains 4 150-word dialogues written in easy conversational French. You can read a few pages on our website. For example, the book Sauvons la planète contains 4 different conversations about different environmental challenges like overpackaging or acid rain. Each dialogue is followed by easy comprehension and vocabulary activities. Books feature photos, diagrams, illustrations, and detailed captions to reinforce the content. Every book contains stories and activities. Audiobooks and new projectable audio ebooks, where students can see the words change color with the audio, are also available. Bilingual editions with French-English lexicons or French-only editions are available for all titles. Your choice.